Little update on my composite cab, waiting for the roof foam kit, and I'm still missing the back closeout piece, but they seal up really nice along here. Windshield's nice and tight. Little tricky getting everything adjusted just right. On the driver's side, I do have a little bit of a gap. I'm thinking if a guy wants to, maybe in the future I'll bend the frame in here a bit. I have a few ideas for that. Closes good. Learned. Made a minor adjustment on that. I had it on the inside. Had to move it to the outside, which is what the instructions actually say. So then when you're in, I really like that cut back versus a straight up door here. Closes nice. Switch hands here. So when you want to get out, reach over with your other hand, pop it open. It's actually solid. That's the only gap I have here. It might flex a bit going down the road. I am not using this thing at 60 miles an hour on the highway. This is my off-road trail machine. Big improvement over my zipper doors. The bottom is really nice and snug. So is the front edge here and along here. I'm happy. I am very pleased with it. For what it is, I already had the roof and the windshield. It's $3,100 with the roof. This is gonna cost me about $2,600 US, I think. Comes with the aluminum bulkhead. This is the closeout piece I'm missing yet. And slip the roof back on, seal her up, good to go. And I can't do this with one hand, but these doors just lift off. There you go, summertime. But I think I'm gonna be quite happy with it.